Hello, today we will guide you through how to see when KOLs mention tokens on X on Axiom. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find X mentions for a token directly inside Axiom. This can be useful when you want to monitor social activity around a coin and quickly see when key opinion leaders, or KOLs, are talking about it. The process is short and simple, and once you know where the option lives, it becomes very easy to check for any token you're researching. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page on the Solana view. This is the area where you can browse tokens and explore market activity. If you're starting from the main Axiom interface, just make sure you're on the Discover section before moving on. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right place helps everything else make sense, since the next steps depend on selecting a token from this screen. Once you're on the Discover page, click on a sample coin. You can use whichever token you want to inspect, since the goal here is simply to open that token's detailed page. This is where Axiom provides more in-depth information, including the chart and other token-specific tools. If you're just practicing, any visible token on the list will work fine. After the token page opens, move your attention to the chart area. At the top left of the chart, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to reveal additional viewing options. This menu lets you switch between different types of chart overlays or related data views, so it's the key place to look when you want to add more context to your token analysis. From the options in that drop-down, click on X mention. Once selected, Axiom will display the X mention view for that token, allowing you to see when the coin has been mentioned on X. This is the setting you'll use to track social mentions and identify when notable accounts are discussing the token. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see what you expect, double-check that you opened the correct token page and that you selected X mention from the chart menu rather than another option. Small interface changes can happen over time, but the general flow stays the same. Open Discover, choose a coin, use the chart dropdown, and switch to X mention. That's it. You now know how to see when KOLs mention tokens on X using Axiom.